Hi, I'm Ron Anderson, and let's talk about the jaw. The jaw can be a real major problem. I've never met a singer that has not had to have the jaw trained out. We all have that problem. Once we start going to the top part of the voice and moving into the head voice, what happens is the jaw starts to go forward, and we jut the jaw forward, thinking, I think that we're going to give it a little bit more room. It's exactly the opposite. It takes us out of the line that goes directly up into the back of the head. And that's where the whole game is, especially in the power. We move the voice to the back of the head for the power and modify the vowel. So don't sing like this at the top of the voice. Have a good day.